Hi folks, this is Murtuza here. Now I'll be moving about to explain you the next success principle that I think you should be noting down in your mindset workbook. Okay, so in the past few videos, I have covered many success principles that when applied can take you straight to your end goal. Okay, straight to the success that you desire. So in the first video, I covered up that you need to have a burning desire to achieve one big goal. Okay, then we covered up how to install faith within yourself using the power of affirmation, visualization, and hypnosis. The third step, we covered up how to create a plan and take massive action on your plan. And in this video, I'll be covering up persistency. Persistency simply means that never give up. Okay, try and try till you succeed. It simply means that either you die or you get your goal. Okay, there is nothing in between. Okay, so you have only two options. Either you will die one day or you will achieve your goal. There is no third option. So that is the kind of persistency you should have if you want to achieve your end goal. And in this video, I'll be giving you a little bit of motivation, as well as I'll be showing you certain principles which I have learned that will help you to be very persistent to stick towards building your online business. Okay, you'll never quit. So that is kind of mindset I want to give you. Okay, so Earl Nightingale he was a very successful self-improvement coach. He's no more now. Earl Nightingale said, success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal. That simply means that the definition of success is that you are constantly trying towards moving your goal. Okay, success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal. That's a beautiful definition of success. Success does not mean that you have achieved your goal. You have already achieved your goal. Success simply means that you are on your way. You are trying your best. Every single day you are focused in moving towards your goal, and you are taking action to move towards that goal. That is the definition of success. Okay, because if you do that, you are already successful, and you're constantly on the way to move towards your goal. Okay, so even if you achieve your first goal, you will have the second goal, and when you have this kind of mindset where you're constantly moving towards your goal, you will achieve your second goal, third goal, fourth goal. So you will keep achieving more goals in life, and you will keep growing. So it's a beautiful definition. Write it down in your workbook. Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Okay, the next thing I wanted to emphasize is that you fail only when you quit. Okay, so what is the definition of failure in your mind? Okay, I've seen many people, what they do is they start an online business, they start one website, they do little bit of work for the first month, then they feel that nothing is happening and they quit, or probably they move to the second coach and again they follow the same cycle. Then they purchase a third product, they purchase some other product, then they do little bit half-heartedly, again they quit, and then they go out and tell everyone that I tried my best but nothing happened. So, and finally they quit. Okay, finally they quit after years of just jumping around from here and there, then finally they quit. So failure is simply that when you quit, you have failed. But if, let's say, you have started your website and few things are not happening the way you wanted to happen. Okay, let's say you are not making the kind of money that you expected to make. Let's say your learning is extremely slow. Okay, so what this simply means that it is giving you a feedback. Okay, let's say for example you put an ad, $100 ad in a forum, okay, for your website, and you did not sell your products. Okay, so what does it exactly mean? It simply means that it gives you a feedback. It simply tells you that you have to try your best the second time, and you have made some mistakes which you have to solve. Now all you have to do is you have to try and solve those mistakes. Okay, so and improve upon it and try it out the second time. The second time there are chances you will make much lesser mistakes than you made the first time, and the third time again fewer mistakes, and the more you fail, the more you become perfect in doing that stuff, and one day you'll be an advertising master. You'll be placing new ads on, and you will be making more and more money from your advertising. So this is how you should be considering failure. Okay, if something is not working, just don't quit. Okay, or just don't say that it's not working for me. Okay, take it as a feedback and try to improve upon it and learn. And the only way you will fail is when you quit. Okay, there's no other way you can fail. The only thing you can do is you can get a feedback, okay, for all the work that you have done. If something is not working, take feedback, improve upon it, implement it again. If something is not working, again take a feedback, improve upon it, and start working on it again. So that is the kind of persistency that you should have if you want to succeed in your online business. Now the third thing is that you are just one system away from being a millionaire. So if you have been watching me for some time, I've shown you how systems work, okay, how to create profitable systems. So think about it. You are just one system away from being a millionaire or being successful or being rich, because there are hardly very few people who focus in building systems. Okay, so the first step of creating system is you create a system. The second step is you test the system. So when you figure out these two steps and you have created such a system that is making you, let's say you're putting in $1 within your system and you're getting $2 back, that simply means you are making 100% return on your investment. When you're putting your money into something, when you're putting money into your own system, your own machine, you are getting 100% return back. Okay, you don't even get this kind of returns in other investments. Okay, because now you have your own specific system. That simply means that you have your own cash machine, your ATM cash machine. You're putting up $1 and $2 are coming out from the bottom. Okay, let's assume you have such a cash machine. What would you do? You would put $5,000 and you would get $10,000. You would put, let's say, $500,000, you would get $1 million. Okay, so that simply I want to tell you is that if you work hard in creating a system, if you be persistent enough, if you avoid all the failures, you take it as feedback and you never quit, you will eventually have a system that can make you a millionaire. Okay, so focus all your efforts from today in creating a system that has the power to make you a millionaire starting today. Okay, and if there are any issues coming up, please don't quit. Take it as a feedback, keep working on it, keep improving it. And the best way to improve when something is not working is to hire an expert, hire a coach in that niche, and that coach will guide you what you need to do next. Okay, with this I'll end up this video, and I hope you have got great value with this while watching this video. And if you want some more training from me as to how to create a profitable system that can actually make you tremendously successful, make sure you click a link right below this video, and I'll be giving you one of my best trainings absolutely dirt cheap, just for $7. And in this training you will be learning the entire process that I personally use to create my own systems from scratch. The training is dirt cheap, it's just for $7. I could have easily sold this training for $50 or $100, but the reason I'm just giving it away is because I want to build a strong relationship with you, so that eventually in the future you will purchase my other expensive products. So with this I'll end up this video, and have a great day, and I wish you all the very best and success. Goodbye.